Hello everyone. So in this video we will see about the leader command. Basically we will see how with the help of arrow and text you can just point anything in this drawing. Right. So for that I will just type first here basically leader command. So for that just type LEA. On the top you can see leader command just come. Just press enter. Right. So now anywhere you just need whatever you just wanted to point. Let's say I just wanted to click here and just press here, and in this way you can just point anything. Right. Now, no more arrow, no more line. I just wanted. Just then you just need to press enter. Right. So again just press enter and press enter. Now it will now you can see on here it is showing you can just type here something whatever you just wanted to write. See, you can just type like this. Right. From here you can just increase the size of uh this selected one. Right. You just need to just select, or either you can just increase from the start only.